So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can add music to your Instagram notes. And for that purpose, you don't have to first of all open the Instagram app, but you have to open App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open Play Store if you are on Android. And after opening it, you have to search it here, Instagram, and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on that, and you have to check whether there is any pending update of Instagram app or not, because if there is any pending update, you will not be able to add music to your Instagram notes. So you first of all have to update your Instagram app if an update is written here on this button. So after updating, the second step is you have to open the Instagram app, and now you will have the music option in the notes available for you. For example, if I tap on plus button here for adding a note, you will see a music button here under your profile picture. So tap on this music icon and search for any music that you want to add, or if I cancel it and I go again to this music button, you can choose any song from these suggestions. For example, let me choose this song. Simply tap on it. From here, you have to select the portion that you want to add in your Instagram notes. Adjust this rectangle on the portion that you want to add to your notes and press the done button. And now this song has been added in my Instagram notes. You can also write a caption like, "Hello, I am here." So anything that you want to add, and after that just press the share button and this song will be shared on your Instagram notes. So that's how you do it. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. And if you don't have this notes option available in your inbox, here's a quick video tutorial in the end screen. Go watch out that video for availing the notes feature on Instagram. See you in that video there.